guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing my top 5 nude lip liners. These are perfectly suitable for all my dusky skin beauties. So if you are somebody from the vintage to deep skin tones, then this video is for you. Please keep on watching. So I have 5 here and all of these 5 are under ₹500. So yes, they are all on a budget and they are absolutely beautiful shades. Now lip liners are important to keep your lipstick to stay for really long. So for the longevity it is really important. Also if you're somebody who likes to make your lips look a little fuller and a little more plump, then this is important for you. Okay, let me start off with whatever comes to my hand first. Okay, so the first one that I have here is the lip liner by Wet n Wild. Now I would leave the link of all of the products down in the description box, so please make sure that you check the description box out. It's in the shade Chestnut and this is like itna bada pencil aata hai. Okay, and this is for this pencil is for ₹195 and इतना बड़ा pencil है, like आप देख सकते हो, it's like huge. Okay, so you get a lot of quantity and it's great for the price. Now the shade is so beautiful. Let me just quickly give you a swatch. Now it's very creamy and it glides on easily. So this is how the color looks like. It's a very warm brown color. The color is so beautiful. It will go with almost all of your nude lipsticks. Like if you have only if you have something like that's very cool tone, it might not probably go along with that, but it will go along with almost all your nude lipsticks. So this is a great investment. I definitely highly recommend this one. I love this shade and yeah, it's great. So to be fair with the swatches of these lip liners on my lips, I thought of applying only these lip liners completely on my lips. So like each shade I would completely fill in my lips with that so that you can see the exact shade. So the next one that I have here is by Kiko Milano. This is their Smart Fusion Lip Pencil and this is in the shade 533 and that is not sure. Okay, this is in the shade 533. Okay, now this is more of like this pinkish nude, it's more on the pinkish side. So let me show it to you. This is the color, the second one, this one. It's a more pinkish to mauve shade. It's great for anybody who likes to wear more pinkish nudes or more mauve nudes than like brown nudes. So if you're somebody who wears a lot of pink nudes or mauve nudes, this lip liner would be great for you. Now this would not work as something that will make your lips look bigger, because for that you need to use a darker lip liner and your lipstick should be a little lighter. But this is something that would almost match the shade of your lipstick. The formula of this is very beautiful. So the next one that I have here is by Maybelline. It's their Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner and this is in the shade 120 Rich Chocolate. Now this is the perfect shade if you're somebody who has thin lips and you want them to look bigger. No hate to anybody who has thin lips or no hate to anybody having smaller lips, and even if you want to make them look bigger, there's no harm. I'm not saying that you should do this, but if you're somebody who likes to do that, then yeah, this is the best pick for you, because this is literally a chocolate color, like dark brown chocolate color, and it would suit every single lipstick that you have. It will go along with every lipstick and it will make your lips like really full and really beautiful and really plump. So this is how the shade looks like. You can see again, it's very creamy, very beautiful. The formula is great, it glides on smooth, so you don't have to, you know, like रगड़ना नहीं पड़ता है अपने lips पे, so that's really good. And the best part about it is it's a retractable pencil, so you don't have to sharpen it. So if you are somebody who is lazy to do that, then this is the one for you. So I'm going to save the best one for the last. So this is going to be our second last. So this is the one. This is by K by Katrina, and I'm not sure of the name, exact name, but I'll link it in the description box. So this is in the shade Fame, and let me just quickly swatch it. So it's a very, again, warm toned, or yes, it's a very warm toned brown, and this is how the shade looks like. You can see. Now this lip liner is again very great for somebody who is looking to, you know, plump their lips or make their lips look a little more fuller. This would also go along well with all of your, you know, nude lipsticks. It will absolutely go well. Formulation is great, it's to die for. K by Katrina की products ही काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, so if you haven't tried them out, you should. There is K Beauty के products बहुत अच्छे हैं, and you know, the formula is pretty smooth, glides on easily. It's very creamy and it's very pigmented, so yeah, I highly recommend this shade as well. The last one is my absolute favorite because ऐसा कोई shade है ही नहीं. You know, you can wear it as a lipstick as well. Like पूरा लगा लो, fill in your lips completely with this, and it looks so beautiful. Like trust me. So this is by Shimbor. This is their Velvet Touch lip liner, and this is in the shade BR01. Now let me just first show you a swatch so that you'll know what I'm talking about. This is honestly so damn pigmented and so creamy, like trust me. Can you see the shade? The shade is so beautiful. It's like a dusty pink, you know, color. If you're somebody who loves such colors, then do give it a try. I'm sure you wouldn't regret it, and I'm sure you'll fall in love with it. That is all for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below any other videos you want me to do, and I'll see you the next time.